Okay guys, this is why trading with capital on Deriv works, especially if you've got a good strategy, good tools. So if you are in a position maybe just to raise $1,000, that could be enough to at least start transforming your trading journey. So let us have a look at how you can trade. Let's say you have $1,000. So we're using the Profit Max Alpha version 2025 bot. And then we'll try and capture even, odd, and rise and fall. Okay, so I'll be staking $80. You input your stake twice there, $80 twice, and then we have a stop loss of, now we target $200 and then a stop loss of $500. Okay guys, so you input everything like that, and then once you are set, you now go to the tool section here and then look at the even and odd percentages. Okay, look at the even and odd percentages, wait for the tool to propagate, and then of course remember to select the volatility that you have on the bot side. And you can see as it's propagating, even seems to be leading, but then again it's balancing. So always wait for it. By waiting to propagate, you can see the bars up there. Wait for all those digits to be touched. Okay, so let's look at volatility 10-1s, and we can see odd at 63, 66, 57, 60, and almost all the bars or numbers have been touched. So we prepare ourselves for volatility 10-1s, excuse me, odd trade, and then we come back, check again, because you have $1,000 and you must be very careful not to blow that account. So we look at again, you can see odd has kind of again died out, even now 50 something. Okay, so we've rechecked again. Let's see whether it will shift it to odd. Doesn't look like. It's almost 50-50 chance now. So we can see odd at 51, 50, 48 now. Let's look at volatility 101s. Let's see whether we can get an entry here. And you can see even at 72%. 66, 68, 54, 52, it's coming down, 55, 57, and everything has fully propagated. So let's come and try and capture volatility 101s at just 2. Let's see again. You must be very sure. It's better you take your time analyzing than just rushing to take the trades. Okay, so 100, we can see odd now again. You can see odd at 63, 58. So let's do this. Let's take odd, and then you simply now come back to the entry tool, select the volatility, and then we are waiting for 3 or more even like that, and we've entered with that odd. Okay, we've entered with that odd. So let us see. You can see so far profit of $55, but the martingale will always kick in and we should be able to come into profit. Okay, so there we are, $258 in profit, and you can see that was a winning trade. So let's refresh again, see whether we can capture any other entry. Let's scout, look at volatility 10-1s, odd at 60 something. I have refreshed everything, so let's see now even at 53, odd at 60. Okay, odd at 60. So we come back to our bot, Tier 1S, and then we wait for the entry. Now we are looking for the entry, and since we are trading odd, we want 3 or more even to appear. Okay, 3 or more even to appear, and then we run our bot. So there you've seen 3 and we're in the market. And see our second, we recovered with $135 there, $80, $178, and boom, we've hit our take profit with $245, guys. Okay, so that is the advantage when you have some good capital, good strategy, good entry, good tools. You can be able now to really scale up your trading game, guys. Okay, I believe you can see what is happening. So I know there are some traders, I get some questions from people who say they are waiting, I don't know, to get some money from where. Once in maybe you raise $1,000 like this, trade using this strategy. Let's try and do rise and fall. So we are doing rise and fall, volatility 101S, but we want to analyze. Let's reset everything. We want first of all to analyze using the chart, using the Bollinger Bands and the relative strength index to see whether we'll get a very good entry. Okay, so volatility 101S, 1 minute time frame, and then the first indicator we are going to use the Bollinger Bands like that, and then the relative strength index like that, and then you can see the candlestick is already touching the lower band, that band. That means that market is about to reverse. Okay, you can see the red candlestick there, and it has reached that outer band or the lower band. There are 3 bands there. You can see 2, you can see a blue one on the top, there's a reddish one in the middle, and then there's another one below. So we are preparing for a rise here because it's already touched the lower band. Prepare for a rise. Let's analyze with the tool. But you know the tool is current, so it might give us the current state. You can see it's still showing fall. Despite it showing fall, we have seen the candlesticks touching the outer band, that band that is below there. So we are going to go for a rise. So we prepare for our entries for a rise, and this should be fast enough. Probably even right now it's rising. Same procedure here. If it's rising, you want for 3 or more falls, and then we take a trade. So I'm on standby, my finger is on the run button. Oh, and I've clicked it prematurely, but it's okay, we have a win there. I clicked it prematurely, but because I'm so sure that market was reversing, you can see the kind of winning trades we are getting. Okay, because it was about to reverse. There we are. We should be able to take our take profit, and boom, $254, guys. Okay, so you can see I have shown you how to enter even, odd, and rise and fall. Make sure to use the chart there, it will be much more accurate. Okay, using the chart and then verifying with the tool, using the Bollinger Bands and the relative strength index. Let us see whether it is true the market reversed and went up. So the volatility was 101S. 101S, and then time frame is 1 minute, not 24 hours. And then now we set up our Bollinger Band and relative strength index. This will be able to show us, and there you can see already. Let's do the relative strength index. You can see already it touched there, and the market is heading up. You can clearly see that prediction was okay and was correct, and you can see the market is heading up. Even the RSI Let me just put 2 RSI so that one can come above, so you can see it clearly, because this is mobile view. So you can see there, it's now showing us that market is going up. We can even take a trade by just simply running the bot from here. Let's see. I've entered. We still have some chance there. That energy or that force of the buyers was strong. There we are, guys. We should hit our $200 plus very soon. Okay, we are still in profit of 107, and boom, $240. Okay guys, so remember, I'm just doing this demonstration for you. If let's say you make 240, call it a day. Do not overtrade. I'm just doing this to show you, or any beginner, that this is how you can analyze and trade, and you can still see that market is rising. Okay guys, so you can see we've made $1,999. we've almost only $1 to $1,000. Let's see how much 999 is. $999 to Kenya shillings. And you can see I have overtraded. Okay, you're supposed to do at least, once you get $200, call it a day, or maybe split your day into 3 sessions. And you can see 999 is 129,000 Kenya shillings. Guys, take trading seriously. All the bots are free and accessible at profitmaxtrader.com. The link is below the video. You can also become a Deriv affiliate and earn by promoting Deriv. The link is also below the video.